Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about indirect objects. These go along with your direct objects. Now, in a sentence, you could have a direct object and have no indirect object. But you can never have an indirect object without a direct object. So, that's your first fact. The second fact, an indirect object tells me who the direct object is for. So let's look at the sentence. Dan made me dinner after work. Alright, so I've got my subject, Dan, my verb, made. I can cross off after work because it's a prep phrase. Alright, so Dan made what? Dan made dinner. That is my object that answers the question about my verb. So Dan made what? Dinner. Dan made dinner for who? Me. So me is your indirect object. Let's look at another sentence. Carla sewed Nancy a sweater for her birthday. Alright, so we have our subject, Carla sewed. Sew is like when you use a needle and thread and you so you've got your needle and your thread. And you thread it and then you just sew stuff together like cloth and sweaters. So Carla sewed. I can cross off for her birthday because that's a prepositional phrase. Carla sewed what? A sweater. That answers my question, what? Carla sewed the sweater for whom? Nancy. Nancy is my indirect object. Alright, so let's look at your worksheet. Alright, on your worksheet you're doing basically the same thing as the other worksheet, the direct object worksheet. However, you are also going to tell me what the indirect object is. So we've got our example up here. A seamstress, that's my subject. Made is my verb. She made what? A dress. She made the dress for whom? Frances Ann. Alright, let's look at number 1. We sent the company proofs of purchases for a free Frisbee. So my subject right here, we, I'm going to write that right here. We. Sent is my verb. So next, let's cross off those prepositional phrases of purchases. So I'm going to put that right here. Of purchases for a free Frisbee. So let's go back. We sent what? Proofs. So that's IDO. We sent proofs to who? The company. So what? Proofs to whom? The company. And that is what you are doing for this worksheet. Again, if you have questions, let me know. Reach out to me on Remind or email, and I will try to help you out. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.